Many companies are competing in the AI chatbot space, hoping to capitalize on the success of ChatGPT. This is because the AI industry is at a turning point, and those who adopt and improve upon the technology could reshape the field and disrupt the established big tech hierarchy. Even smaller companies are joining the fray, and the competition is heating up. Microsoft's Bing and Google's Bard are just a couple of major players in the field, and there are many others looking to challenge ChatGPT or build on its accomplishments. Microsoft is one of the companies trying to compete in the AI chatbot space. It has launched its new Bing, which incorporates AI-powered tools to revolutionize online searches. The company also integrated AI technology into its Edge browser. Microsoft is a significant investor in OpenAI, and it has used the technology behind ChatGPT to develop its own AI tool, which it claims is even more powerful. Beta testers of Bing have been able to ask questions and receive annotated responses. However, users have discovered that the system is too flexible, and they have found ways to trigger strange and bizarre responses from the chatbot. Microsoft has introduced limits on the number of answers and questions, but some of these restrictions have since been loosened. Microsoft plans to add AI enhancements to Edge, which will allow users to summarize web pages and generate text for social media posts and emails. In response to Microsoft's release of an AI chatbot that could potentially challenge Google's primary business of search, Google felt compelled to announce its own AI chatbot, called Bard. However, there is still limited information available about its capabilities. According to Google CEO Sundar Pichai, the company is utilizing its in-house large language model, Lambda, to power Bard, which provides fresh, high-quality responses by drawing on information from the web. Google claims that users will be able to use Bard for a variety of tasks, including planning a baby shower, comparing Oscar-nominated movies, and finding recipe ideas based on the ingredients in their fridge. Google's announcement of Bard was somewhat disorganized compared to Microsoft's, resulting in criticism from Google employees in internal messages. Bard made a factual mistake during the first demo posted to Twitter, and the presenter forgot the phone they were supposed to use during a presentation of the chatbot at a search event in Paris. Currently, Bard is only accessible to a limited testing group, with wider availability coming in the next few weeks. Meta, the parent company of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, is also investing in AI technology. One of its language models, Galactica, was created to assist scientists and researchers by providing article summaries, math solutions, molecule annotations, and more. However, the bot received negative feedback and criticism from the scientific community due to its incorrect or biased responses, and Meta had to take it offline after just a few days. Meta also developed BlenderBot 3, a digital assistant-like chatbot, which was publicly released but received poor reviews, with one critic calling it inferior to ChatGPT's framework, GPT-3. BlenderBot 3 is still available online but has been known to make offensive comments. Despite these setbacks, Meta announced the formation of a dedicated AI team, which will create AI personas to assist users, as well as text and image-based AI tools for WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. Anthropic, an AI research company founded by former OpenAI employees, is developing its own chatbot called Claude, which is not yet publicly available. Google invested $300 million in the company in late 2022. Claude was developed using a framework called constitutional AI, which involves training the language model with around 10 natural language instructions or principles to revise its responses automatically. The goal is to create better and safer AI assistants without incorporating human feedback. Scale, an AI data platform, compared Claude to OpenAI's ChatGPT and found that it could be a serious competitor, as it is more inclined to refuse inappropriate requests. However, Claude still makes factual and mathematical mistakes. It is only available to companies as an early access product, not to the general public. U.com, founded by two ex-Salesforce employees, positions itself as a search engine that users can control. The company offers an AI-driven chat tool called UChat that resembles the one in Bing's pilot. UChat is powered by the CAL model, which combines AI-powered conversations, web links, citations, and U.com apps. Like Bing's AI, UChat can offer annotated answers to diverse queries, produce summaries of online articles, generate code, write essays, among other tasks. Besides the AI-powered chatbot, U.com now provides integrated AI image generator models, including Stable Diffusion 1.5, Stable Diffusion 2.1, and OpenJourney. Users can use these models to create images based on written descriptions. The engine sifts through search results and classifies them according to appropriate responses from sites such as Reddit, TripAdvisor, Wikipedia, and YouTube. It also generates standard results from the web. Alibaba, a major e-commerce company based in China, has joined the trend of developing AI chatbots. A spokesperson for the company revealed in early February that Alibaba is internally testing a rival to ChatGPT. The company has been experimenting with generative AI since 2017, but it is unclear when the tool will be announced or what it will be capable of. However, Alibaba may face some challenges before launching its own chatbot, as Chinese regulators have reportedly instructed other Alibaba-owned companies to restrict access to ChatGPT due to concerns about uncensored content. Similar regulations are expected to apply to other Chinese companies developing AI chatbots, which may limit their launch and utility under China's strict censorship rules. Baidu, a Chinese tech company known for its search engine and other internet-related services, is set to launch an AI tool called ErnieBot in March. Ernie is similar to ChatGPT and can generate conversational responses. Baidu has trained the model on massive unstructured data and a gigantic knowledge graph, and it excels at both natural language understanding and generation. Baidu plans to integrate ErnieBot into its search engine and the forthcoming electric vehicle made by Jidu. Baidu is also developing a text-to-image model called ErnieVilg, which creates images based on Chinese text. In addition to the companies creating standalone chatbots for search, there are other firms exploring generative AI in different ways. For instance, Snapchat is developing an in-app version of ChatGPT called MyAI, Wild Character. AI allows users to create or browse chatbots modeled after real or fictional individuals. NetEase's education subsidiary Youdao plans to integrate AI-powered tools into educational products and is interested in incorporating the technology in one of its upcoming games. Meanwhile, Replica is an AI chatbot that functions as a personalized companion, combining the company's own GPT-3 model and scripted dialogue content to generate responses tailored to the user's conversation style. As the field of conversational AI evolves, it will be fascinating to observe how these tools develop and which ones will become part of our daily lives. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.